Hi, it's Cheryl with Peace and Power Movement Services. June is has National Seniors Week kicking us off. And I was recently talking with a lot of seniors at a health and wellness fair. Saw lots of people with walkers, canes, and heard stories after stories of replacing one knee, replacing both knees and a hip, and really struggling with balance. And so, what I know for sure is that the need for a knee replacement did not happen overnight. And in fact, our best tool to prevent knee replacements is our attention. When someone has had a knee replacement, not because of wear and tear, or because of wear and tear, I'm not talking about people who've had an accident. It's really starting with this lack of attention, not paying attention to early warning signals. And so if you're active and you're not paying attention to your body mechanics, to alignment, the repetition of forces will really erode the integrity of your knee joint. And so, I'm not blaming the people I talked to at the wellness fair. We're definitely not taught this way of learning to listen to ourselves, how to respond to ourselves. And I would say we kind of learn a mechanical orientation to our body, which, when something wears out, we bring our body into the medical shop, and if needed, the part gets replaced. And that's how it works. So, my aging wisely tip is really learn to listen to your body. And when you're able to really sense the important signals that your body's sending to you, you can then make choices about what you do, how you use yourself. And that can really help reduce the number of times you need to go into the medical shop and how many repairs and parts you need to be replaced. So take good care. Have a good movement day.